Okay, in continuation to the previous class, we are going to see some standard results, particularly for the objectives. You must remember some results as standard results because the questions will be formed on the basis of those standard results. Let us see such results and let us learn to apply. Let us learn to apply those results in solving the problems. And also, I will train you to form the questions also from the standard results. If we understand the standard results, how they are derived, and it will be obvious that you can even form the questions. So let us see that. Let me share the screen. Okay. Now, Bhavi, I mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Mute yourself. When I call you, just unmute. Yeah. Now, what is that standard result? Let us see that. Now here we have seen all these basics already, Zeilite angles and the compound angles, transformations, multiple and submultiple angles. Also, we have seen the formula. Now, what is that I'm insisting on is some standard results to remember. Bhavi, mute yourself. When I ask you, unmute.
Okay, sir.
See, now what is that happening? When some result can be derived comfortably based on that result, we can derive some questions or we can form some questions. So, for example, if you take that first result there in this one, first result. Bhavi, please read that first one, please. Some results to remember. First one.
A plus b equals to pi by 2. Sin square a plus sin square b equals to 1. Cos square a plus cos square b equals to 1. Tan a into tan b equals to 1.
That's good. Now, let us understand. Let us understand how this is derived. Yeah, are you there, Maurya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now I'm deriving that. Just understand this. Very simple. Very simple. Like, what is the result there? You follow this carefully and keenly. See, first one is a plus b is equal to pi by 2. Now, if I write b on right hand side, then a is equal to pi by 2 minus b. Let us apply sine on both sides. Number one, sine a is equal to sine of pi by 2 minus b. Let me apply tan also or cos also, because she read the three results, isn't it, Maurya?
Yes, sir.
We read three results. That's the reason why what I'm doing, I'm writing all of them simultaneously. First one, sine applied. And do you tell me the second one? There. Cos applied.
Cos.
You need not have to go for cos because you can derive cos also from this one. But for your better understanding, I'm doing cos also, and or otherwise I'll derive it from there only. Apply tan on both sides, please. Tan A is equal to what? Tan of?
Pi by 2 minus b.
Minus b. Yeah, Maurya, do you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is power cut here. That is just connected. I connected to other device.
All right, sir.
Bhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just power cut. I connected now. Okay. Now say this. Let me share the screen. One moment. Yeah. Now, do you tell me what is sine pi by 2 minus b, please? Respond.
Cos B.
Cos
That's good. Squaring on both sides. Come on, tell me that sine square A is equal to
cos square B.
how cos square B can be written.
1 minus sin square A.
Correct, no? Or even you can write 1 minus cos square A is equal to cos square. Both are correct, no? So what is the final result we get from this one? Respond, please. Respond. What am
Sine
I
square A.
asking you? Yeah. Tell me, please.
Sine square A
Cos
plus sine square B equals to 1.
That's good.
Cos square A plus cos square B equals to 1.
So I can write it as sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1 is equal to cos square A plus cos square B. So the first two results proved here. Now come on, tell me similarly, what is this?
uh,
Yeah, Maureen.
so tan is equal to cot of B.
Very good.
Squaring on both sides.
No need to square
No
it.
squaring. Oh, sorry.
No. That's what I'm saying. Squaring case, you must know the reason why we are doing the operations here. And in this case, we don't square it because if you square now, in the previous case, there is a relation between sine and cos. That's the reason why we squared it and we converted all the terms to sine ones and all the terms to cos ones. In this case, no, what happens, even if you square it also, there is no use at all. That's the reason why what we do, we write cot B as 1 by tan. Are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now cross multiply, please. Tan A.
Tan A into tan B is equal to 1.
That's good. Or you can even write in terms of cot also. So cot A into cot B
Into cot B is equal to 1.
also equal to 1. So
1.
there are 4 results we have got here. If A plus B is pi by 2. I hope you understand the derivation here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now let me list out what we have got here. Just a moment to form the questions. Let us understand this. To form the questions. Now, very importantly, the first condition that is to be remembered is if A plus B is equal to pi by 2, then number one, do you tell me what is the one condition we have derived? Sine square A.
Sin square A plus sin square B is equal to 1.
And even it is equal to?
Cos square A plus cos square B.
So the important thing, and to form the question, the first and foremost condition to be remembered is what?
A plus B is equal to pi by 2.
That's good. That's good. Now, let us say this. Come and tell me now, what is the second condition we read? Even though it is 4 conditions I wrote, they are not 4, they are 2 only because they are internally related. Oh, so what is the second one now?
Tan A into tan B is equal to 1 is equal to cot A into cot B.
Correct. Perfect. Bhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm forming the question. Just observe carefully, Bhavi, here.
Okay, sir.
I'm forming the question now on this one, and how the objective questions will be formed based on these conditions, then you will understand. And one more thing, on the previous questions also, I'll discuss here how they are given. Now, let me write this. See, I'm asking you the question now, one by one you have to answer. That means I'll be mentioning your name. What I'm doing, Maurya, just I'm asking you a question here. This is sine square 1 degree plus sine square 89 degrees. Come on, tell me what is its value?
That will be sine
I'll give
square
you a
9.
hint also. If you want, I'll give you a hint also. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is
Oh,
this,
that's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
yeah, that's what is equal to 1. Okay. Let us now move on to this girl, Bhavi. Now, sine square 2 plus sine square 88, Bhavi.
1, sir.
Good. Next, Maurya, sine square 3 plus sine square 87, Maurya.
Still 1, sir.
Good. That's good. Up to this, you said right. Now, any one of you now answer my question. Serious. What is that I'm writing? Now, question, please. Sine square 1 plus sine square 2 plus sine square 3 plus and so on plus sine square 88 plus sine square 89 degrees. Do you know the meaning of plus and so on means? All
Yes,
the terms
sir.
all the terms in between. Come on, you tell me now. Any one of you. You can put your pen on the paper and you can answer this. You can put your pen on the paper and you can answer this.
So 45.
Let us wait for her answer. How 45? Just think and tell me. 1 to 89, how many terms are there, Maurya?
So that's 90.
No, you tell me.
19
How
terms.
many
19.
terms are there from 1 to 89?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many terms are there from 1 to 89? Obviously, 1
That's
to
9.
89 terms will be there, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's
Bhavi.
9. Sir?
I'm asking Bhavita. Bhavi, what I'm
Yes,
saying,
sir.
1 to 89, how many terms are there? That's my question.
89.
That's obviously. And now let me pair them. Sine square 1 plus sine square 89. Okay. Sine square 2 plus sine square 88 plus and sine square 3 plus sine square 87 plus and so on. How many such pairs you get? That's what my question, please. In between, one bachelor will be there without pay, because 89 is an odd number and this bachelor will not have the pair. Sine square 45 is a bachelor. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Plus and so on. Among 89, one bachelor is there. How many are remaining? 88 remaining. So 88 will become to 44 pairs, you know. Are you
Yes, sir.
there? You
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
understand what I'm saying? 44 times plus and so on. Let me write that next. Okay. What I'm saying, plus and so on, including that sine square 45. Now you will get 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus how many ones you get? You tell me, please.
44.
Yes. Correct? Plus what is sine 45 value?
1 by root 2.
Whole square. So what is sum of these ones? Sum of these ones, please. Sum of these ones. I repeat.
So sum of the ones is 44 only, right?
Yes, that's it. Bobby, if you add 2 ones, it is 2. If you add 3 ones, it is 3. If you add 44 ones, it is 44. Plus 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 whole square. Sine 45 1 by root 2. So what is your
89.
final answer? 89 divided by 2. See how the question is beautifully formed. Based on the results, a plus b is equal to pi by 2. Then sine square a plus sine square b is equal to 1. And cos square a plus cos square b is also equal to 1. That is the reason why what I did, I asked you in the beginning, what is sine square 1 plus sine square 89? It is 1, you said. Sine square 2 plus sine square 88, you said 1. Sine square 2 plus sine square 87, you said 1. And I found a question on this one. Just for you to brainstorm here. It is a series starting from sine square 1 and ending at sine square 89. Then you must have this idea that first there are 89 terms here. And 89 terms, I started pairing them. Sine square 1 plus sine square 89. Why should we pair them? Because it is 1 plus 89 is 90, 2 plus 88 is 90, and 3 plus 87 is 90. The advantage is if a plus b is 90, each pair becomes 1. That is the reason why I paired them. But in 89, there will not be, this is an odd number. So there remains one number individually without any pair. It is sine square 45. And rest all terms will be paired and each bracket becomes 1. There are such 44 terms are there. And how many ones you get? 44 ones you get. And sine 45 value 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square. So 44 plus 1 by 2 is 89 by 2. Are you clear or not? Both of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So should I give you one more question like this for you to solve?
All right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, just check it out. I'm giving you a question on this one now. Yeah. Now I'm taking up cos. I'm taking up cos. I'll keep that solution as it is for your sake only, for you to get the idea. Now, what I'm doing, I'm just writing the question straight away in terms of cos. Question: cos square 5 degrees plus cos square 10 degrees plus cos square 15 degrees plus and so on plus cos square 85 degrees. Can you try this now?
Yes.
Yeah, make it fast. It's very clear. You have to form the pairs. What is the first step you're writing there? Let me know.
So totally there are 17 terms.
Very good.
So by pairing them, we get cos square 5 plus cos square 85 in one bracket plus cos square 10 plus cos square 80 in another bracket plus cos square 15 plus cos square 75 in another bracket, and so on and so forth. And you get cos square 45 as extra. So
That
then
is
that's
bachelor.
bachelor. So that's 8 plus cos 45. That's 8 plus cos square 8 plus 1 by 2.
8 plus 1 by 2.
1 by 2, 17 by 2.
Very good. Bobby,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you got?
Doing, sir.
Yeah. 1 plus 1 plus so on. From Bobby, from 5 to 85, there are 17 terms, isn't it? So
Yes,
in
sir.
17 terms, you will have 16 can be paired. When 16 are paired, you will get 8 times 1s plus cos square 45 is 1 by root 2 whole square. So 8 ones added, 8 plus 1 by 2. So 17 by 2. That's it. That's good, Moria. You did well.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, Bobby, if it is clear, I'll go to the next standard result.
Okay, sir.
Now we're going for tan now. See this. This is also interesting. But here you have square and summation here, but you have the product here. You have the product here. Find the difference. Find the difference. Now let me write that. Let me write that separately. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2, same results. I'm writing in terms of tan and cot. I'm writing in terms of tan and cot. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2, then you tell me number 1, tan A.
Since tan A into tan B is equal to 1 is equal to cot A into cot B.
That's good. Now we are forming the questions here on this one. Let me begin with the very basic question. What I mean to say by basic question, you'll understand. See, first one, tan 1 degree into tan 89 degrees. Tan 2 degrees into tan 88 degrees. Are there both of you? Do you see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tan 3 degrees into tan 87 degrees. Tell me the value of the first one.
1,
Good. Next one.
1,
1.
Next one.
1.
Now the question. Question, please. Tan, I'm changing it. I'll change it to cot. Cot 1 degree, cot 2 degrees, and so on. Cot 89 degrees, please. And so on means all the terms in between will be there. Yes, I expect the answer from you. You need not have to even put your pen on the paper also.
44 plus 1 by 2. 89 by 2.
Think and tell me, Bhavi. Think and tell me, Maurya.
All right, sir.
What is that you said?
89 by 2, sir. Same result as sine.
No,
Oh, all right.
no. That is in sum and it is in product. Don't forget that. This is in product. Just check. It is in the product. There
One.
it is in the sum.
1.
Yeah, that's correct. Bobby not responding. Bobby, you tell me the combination here, pairing here.
Cot 1 into
Yeah,
cot 89.
that's good.
Cot 2 into cot 88.
Yes.
Up to so on.
One bachelor will be there.
45.
That is called 45. So whatever it is, all will become 1. Maurya confused in the beginning. Do you
Yes,
observe
sir.
it? Bobby? There it is summation, here it is the product. So answer is 1. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, it will be given even in terms of pi also. You should not get confused. These are given in numbers, degrees. And if it is given in radians also, you must be in a position to solve this. Let us move on to the next result or even the questions related to this. Okay. Just see this. Let me see the next standard result. It can be derived. You need not have to remember. But third one is important. A plus B plus C 180 degrees. Sigma tan A is equal to pi tan A. We'll come to that next after doing some problems. This is the result of what I asked you to remember. If A plus B is equal to pi by 2, sine square A plus sine square B is equal to 1 is equal to cos square A plus cos square B is equal to tan A into tan B is equal to cot A into cot B. All of them are equal. Okay, now let us move on to the questions here. Yeah, this is simple. Let me understand from you. If you say I will write here the given expression, GE means given expression is equal to, come on, tell me. Write cos A as it is. Come on, tell me now, sine of 270 plus A, Maurya, you have to tell me which quadrant 270 plus A is.
270 is in third quadrant.
Plus A means?
Fourth.
Fourth, sine is positive or negative?
Sine is positive.
Recollect.
Oh, sorry, sine is negative.
For 270, will it change or do not?
It will change.
So what will it be?
Cos.
Come on, tell me similarly the next one. Sine of 270 minus A?
It will be third quadrant.
Yes, that's good. Sine is negative or positive?
Sine is negative.
That's good. I wrote minus. For 270, will it change or do not?
It will change.
So what will it be?
Cos A.
Similarly, cos of 180 plus A, please. 180 plus A, which quadrant?
Third.
Third, cos is negative or positive?
Cos is negative.
180 change or do not?
No change.
So what will it be?
Cos. It will remain cos.
So you can say this is plus cos A This is plus cos A minus cos A. Again, plus cos A minus cos A. Your answer is 0. That's it. I hope you understand that. This question is purely based on the allied angles. So option is B there. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Moving on to the next question. Come on, you tell me, Bhavi. I'll be writing faster. Give an expression now. Are you able to read that question, Bhavi?
Yes, sir.
Come on, read.
Sine minus sine theta
Good.
into sine theta
Yes.
into cosine square theta.
Good. So what will it be then?
1, sir.
Correct. It's not 1, minus 1.
Minus 1.
Maurya,
Yes, sir.
clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Moving to the next question now. Now you tell me, Bhavi. Sine 600, let us reduce them to the lower angle. So what is that I'm doing? Sine of, I'll be writing it as 2 into 360, 720 minus 120. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
And do you tell me how cos 330 degrees can be written? It is 360
60 minus 30.
plus cos 120.
180 minus 60.
Correct. And sine 150.
180 minus 30.
Correct. Now, Maurya, if you remember what I said,
Yes, sir.
whatever the coefficient is there for
Neglected.
in simplification, I just asked you to neglect it.
Neglected.
So what will it be then?
That's negative sign.
Negative sign, that's good. Because fourth quadrant sign negative
Fourth
for
quadrant.
360 it will not change. Correct now?
That's yes, sir. Positive cos
What will be this?
plus cos 30.
30 degrees. Come on, tell me this.
That's 180 minus 60. So that's second quadrant. Over there, cos is negative. Minus cos theta. Achhi, 60.
Correct. This one?
That's still second quadrant. That's positive sign 30.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Now I can write this as minus sine 180 minus 60 into cos 30. You can substitute the values here. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. What is sine 180 minus theta? Plus sine theta. Plus sine 60. So what is sine 60 value? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 30 value? Root 3 by 2. What is minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2? 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
So what will it be? Minus 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So what is answer, please?
That's minus 1.
Minus 1.
That's it. This is the answer. So this is depending on allied angles which we have learned. Okay. Allied angles which we have learned. Clear, no?
Yes, sir.
Or even you can see this as sine A cos B plus cos A sin B also. Sine A cos B plus cos A sin B also. The formula you can see here. Just see this is acha. You have 120 here. In the compound angles also you can do that. Otherwise we did it like using the basics. Next. A is equal to 130 degrees, then x is equal to sine A plus cos A, then x is greater than 0, or x is less than 0, or x equal to 0, or x is less than or equal to 0. Come on. Let me write that. X is equal to, you tell me, I'll be writing substitute A there, please. 130 degrees plus cos 130 degrees. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, you tell me how to write this. Sine of, I'm reducing the size of the angle by writing it as 180 minus 50. Can I?
Yes.
Similarly, you tell me how to write this.
Cos of 180 minus 50.
You can even
Sine.
write, I'll tell you like this. I want to change this to sine. I want to change this to sine. Then how 130 can be written? Any one of you, please.
90 plus 40.
That's good. What is sine 180 minus theta, please?
Sine 50.
That's good. And what is cos 90 plus theta?
Sine.
Minus cos 40. Minus sine 40.
Maurya,
Yes, sir.
correct, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, you tell me, any one of you, whether this is positive or negative.
This is negative.
Bobby.
No idea, sir.
It has to be negative.
Why no idea? You must have an idea. An idea will change your life, isn't it? Arey Bobby. Let me understand first. This is origin here. This is 90 degrees here. This is 180 degrees here. And if I draw the graph of sine, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see the graph of sine, at 90, it will have maximum value, 1. And minimum value is minus 2. So if you draw the graph of it will be like this. I'm a poor artist. You have to adjust to me.
It's totally fine, sir.
See, this is the graph of sine 180, not properly drawn, because it is maximum at 90 and goes down. So what is that I'm saying, Bhavi? See this clearly. See this clearly. See what I'm saying. Now, when I take 50 degrees here, it is 45 here. Let me write for your better understanding. Let me write that. Half of it will be obviously 45 degrees. And above 45, 50 will be there. Below 45, 40 will be there. Correct now? Now, let me understand its value on y-axis. For 45, for 50, it is a value which is less than 1. For 40, it is a value which is below this line. Then you tell me whether sine 50 is greater, sine 40 is greater. Any one of you, please.
Sine 50 is greater.
Obviously. Bhavi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Then you tell me what is sine 50 minus sine 40.
Positive.
That's it. That's it, please. It is positive. So our answer should be A. This is how you have to understand. I'll tell you a very simple thing. Remember, you tell me both of you simultaneously. What is sine 0?
0.
0.
1/2.
Sine 45 simultaneously. Sine 45.
1 by root
1
2.
by root 2.
Sine 60.
Root 3
Root
by
3
2.
by 2.
Sine 90.
1.
1.
As the angle is increasing, value also increasing. Correct or not? As
Yes,
the
sir.
angle is increasing, value also increasing. That is the reason why sine 50 is greater, sine 40 is lesser. And hence the difference of these two will always be positive. I should not say difference. Difference means difference should always be taken positive. But here the sine 50 minus sine 40 becomes positive. Similarly, you tell me if it is cos 50 minus cos 40, what happens?
It's negative.
Negative.
Ah, that's good. That's good. This is the reason why we call sine is increasing between 0 and 90. Cos is decreasing between 0 and 90. Remember this. These are the points to be observed, please. These are the points to be observed for the objective purposes, and particularly in the objective examinations, they will concentrate more on this type of concepts. On this type of concept, they'll be concentrating. So what happens? This graph will be like this. Whose graph?
Cos.
Graph is this cos graph. So cos decreases between 0 and 90, sine increases between 0 and 90. So if it is cos 50 minus cos 40, it will be reversed. It will be reversed. It will be negative. So I hope you understand this.
Yes, sir.
Should I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is simple. Can you try this? Tan theta, keep it as it is. Come on, tell me what is sine 90 plus theta. Yes, waiting for your answer. Sine 90 plus theta.
Third quadrant. So negative.
Pi by 2 plus theta. Pi by 2 plus theta.
That's negative cos theta.
No, no, no.
So, but 90.
Plus theta.
Oh, yeah, sir. It is in second quadrant. That's a positive, positive sign.
Yeah,
I mean,
tell me.
cos.
Then you must be instantaneous in this one. Come on, tell me. Because it's the beginning, I'm giving you time, but you must be instantaneous. You to be instantaneous, you must be thorough in those allied angles. Come on, tell me.
So cos theta, positive.
Correct. Next.
Sin
90 minus.
Correct. Sin theta. Maurya,
Yes, sir.
is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Into sin. What is that you're getting? Cos theta getting cancelled. You're getting sine
Sine
square.
square theta.
The no answer is there, and we have to take it as none of this. Oh, somehow this question has come anyway. Leave it off. No problem. That is the answer. If theta is given some value, like 90 degrees, or then it will become 1, or like 0 degrees, it will become 0. And it's not possible for 45. Let us take it as none of these only. Let us leave it. Let us move on to the next question. Some results, remember, just I did that. Now you tell me faster, because we have learned already this concept. Any one of you, please try it.
9.
Make it fast.
Sir, 9.
Is it 9?
9.
How?
Sir, totally there are 18 terms.
Okay.
We can make 2 pairs with each of them, including 45. Oh.
Is it?
Oh. No. There is only 145. Okay, then 9. Wait.
Bhavi, are you trying it?
Yes, sir.
Because sine 0 is 0, I can take it.
So 9.5.
That should be true, what I feel.
9.5. 45 will be left out as usual again.
Yeah. plus and so on plus. Come on. The sine
Sine
square
square 45.
10 plus sine square 80 plus and so on. How many such terms you'll get? You tell me.
18.
18 terms, huh?
Yes, sir.
I must say 18 brackets. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus sine square 40. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on. No, it is 9 brackets, I think.
9 brackets only, sir. 18 terms, 9 brackets.
Yeah. 18 terms, 9 brackets. I'll be writing it as 9 brackets, that it will be clear.
All right, sir.
So how many ones will be added? What is sine
9.
45? 1 by 2. It is 9 plus 1 by 2. Is how much? 17, 18, 9.5 is given. No, there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can take it directly. This is the answer.
Sir, it's given 9 into 1 by 2.
No, not 9 into 1 by 2, 9.5.
Okay. Sorry, my bad.
Then you can write it as 19 by 2 also.
19 by 2.
Are Bhavi, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Because sine square 90 itself is 1 and leave that 1 there. But what I did, I have made sine square 0 to join with the sine square 90 so that it also becomes 1. And rest all terms from 5 to 85, there are 17 terms are there. From 17 terms, you can make 16 terms as space, and thereby you'll get 8. This is 8 plus 1, 9, and in between sine square 45 remaining. So 9 plus 1 by root 2 whole square is 9.5. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to this, please. This is also a good problem, but it comes under trigonometric equations. Further, we are left with trigonometric equations. We'll be doing that. But now, you tell me, what is the answer for this? Because theta is lying between 0 and 360. That means we need the values in the first cycle. We need the values in the first cycle. Cosecant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Implies cosecant theta is equal to minus 2. Implies sine theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Both of you. Whether it is
Yes.
negative or positive? Negative. You're not answering. Now, any one of you, you tell me in which quadrant sine is negative?
In third and fourth.
Third and fourth.
Fourth.
That's good. Now, see this carefully. See this carefully. Now, we have decided that here theta belongs to Q3 or Q4. Clear now? That's what, Bhavi, you said that. Both of you said that. Theta
Yes, sir.
is lying in Q3 or
Yes,
Q4.
sir.
And what I'm doing now, I'm placing this. Now you forget about the sign. Forget about the sign. Then sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. For what value of theta, sine theta becomes 1 by 2, please?
30.
30.
That's good. But it should be placed in the third quadrant. And hence what I'm doing, I'm making it as 180 plus 30. Or it can even lie in the fourth quadrant also. That's the reason why what I'm doing. I'm making it 360 minus 30 so that it goes to the fourth quadrant or third quadrant. Come on, tell me now, what should be sine theta here in this case? Sine of 210 degrees or sine of 330 degrees. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
is the theta value?
210 or comma 330.
330.
That's it. So which is the answer in the options?
D.
D. I think it's clear.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
what solving a trigonometric equation. We can say it as solving a trigonometric equation. Not only this, these are the two angles in the first cycle. First cycle is between 0 and 30, and 2 more will be there in the second cycle. 2 more will be there in the third cycle. 2 more will be there in the fourth cycle. Like that, infinitely many solutions will be there for a trigonometric equation. We'll be learning that further in the trigonometric equations. Okay. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yeah. Now, this one, if you see, this is tan of, we'll work out this in the next session. Okay.